You got to study guys' rhythm. It's a rhythm and a cadence to somehow people play. So like certain guys, they play to a certain beat, to a certain cadence. They play a certain style. You can time what they're going to do next because you know the rhythm. Luka has a unique rhythm. It's almost so slow that it's hard to time. Some guys only go right, some guys only go left. Some guys have two moves that they go to. So I look at, basketball as like poetry in motion, which is music. And everybody is playing their own song, and everybody samples from different artists, and they're playing their own song. And if you want to stop them, you gotta study their rhythm. You gotta learn when their beat is about to drop.